This is part 4 of control flow video. So today we will cover follow through, early exit, and checking API availability. I know the video of control flow, it is very long, however, it's all worth it. So follow through in Swift, a switch statement don't follow through the bottom of each case and into the next one. That is, the entire switch statement completes its execution, as soon as the first matching case is completed. Let me explain. So for example, we have this example, okay? We have a constant integer to describe, which is equal to 5, and we have a description, which is a variable, and it has a value, the number. Integer to describe is, all right? Next, we have the switch. Switch will check the value of integer to describe and go to the cases as usual. So case, if the value of integer to describe equal to 2 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 11 or 13 or 17 or 19, then description take this value and add this to it, which will become, if that's true, description will have a value, the number 5 is a prime number and also, okay? Next, we have follow through. If you add follow through, the default value or any other case, for example, here, if we have another case, 10, okay, the other case will also be checked, okay, if it is satisfied. Okay, so follow through, it will move to the default, okay. Same here, description will be assigned the number 5 is a prime number and also an integer, okay. Let's us see. Now in here, we got the number 5 is a prime number and also an integer. So follow through will allow you to go to the next case, and if it is satisfied, it will be executed, okay. But if we replace it with, so let's comment this one, okay, and replace it with break, okay, and let's run again, we will get the number 5 is a prime number. The number 5 is a prime number and it is stopped, because break, it will break the case and execute and exit the switch statement. So it's up to you, and it depends on the case that you have. So for this case, it will be a good idea to do this. All right. Next, we have early exit. A guard statement, like an if statement, executes statements depending on the Boolean value of an expression. You use a guard statement to require that a condition must be true in order for the code after the guard statement to be executed. Unlike an if statement, a guard statement always has an else clause. The code inside the else clause is executed if the condition is not true. Let me explain. We used to have a statement, if a statement, all right? If the condition is true, we will do this, okay? And the code will continue afterward. But what if we would like to stop if the condition is not true? We should use guard, okay? So in here, let's check if integer to describe is not equal to 5, okay? Here we have else. So if it's not equal to 5, do this. That's a print hello world. Else print okay. And then we should add return. Okay, just return, nothing else. Okay, so because we don't have a function, okay, so it will work only inside a function. Let's copy this one and create a function for it really quick. Okay, so let's call A. All right, so the function will go inside and check integer to describe not equal to 5, which is not true because it is equal to 5. Okay, so it will not print hello world, it will print but if it is true, okay, it will print hello world. Let's try again. Hello world. Okay, very simple, very easy. Don't worry about the func and what I did here. I will explain it in the upcoming videos. Okay, but however, so since I already done that, this is called function. Okay, we group piece of code to do something. Okay, so next we have checking API availability. So in order to do that, Swift has built-in support for checking API availability, which ensures that you don't accidentally use APIs that are unavailable on a given deployment target. The compiler uses availability information in the SDK to verify that all of the APIs used in the code are available on the deployment target specified by your project. Let me explain. I know it was Chinese. So for an example of checking API availability, if hash available iOS 11. All right. So in this case, if that's true, if the iOS is 11, let's print hello world iOS 11. Else print 2. Okay, let's run and we will get iOS 11. Okay, just a simulation. We use this, okay, because if you are building an app, okay, the platform of iOS, macOS, or any platform, okay, it has a number, okay, and for each number there is API, okay. The API will be available for a certain time, okay. Afterwards, either the developers or Apple itself will remove the support for that API, okay. I don't know, maybe you have faced that when you buy a phone and after a couple of years some of the apps are not supported and you have to update or you have to upgrade your device. So in that case you have to check. As a developer you have to check. So if that's true, call this API, otherwise do something else. Very simple, very easy. So that's it for control flow. See you next video.